TE Industrial expands its field installable RJ45 Common Core family with the Cat6A 10 gigabit per second variant. The innovative one-piece Common Core with the integrated wire cutoff and contacting technology in the IP20 housing allows an efficient installation without special tools. Strip about 60 mm of the outer jacket of the Ethernet cable, keeping 5 mm of the braid intact. Straighten the wires and insert them into the cable manager according to the color coding. All commonly used Ethernet cables, with wire sizes ranging from AWG26 to AWG22, stranded and solid, have been tested and approved. The RJ45 Cat6A plug is the first product with integrated wire cutoff and contacting technology, always leading to an error-free cable termination with 10 gigabit performance. Slide the IP20 housing onto the plug, pushing down slightly on the locking spring in order to engage the plug. Tighten the cable screw joint for the proper cable retention. Error-free installation can be done within a minute. 3 easy steps for an optimal Cat6A industrial connection. Prepare the cable and insert the wires. Close covers. Cut off and connect wires. And you're done. Please contact your local TE representative for free samples to see the advantages firsthand.